Data visualization is the graphical or visual representation of data. It helps to highlight the most useful insights from a dataset, making it easier to spot trends, patterns, outliers, and correlations. Data visualization is an essential part of the data science process, which states that after data has been collected, processed, and modeled, it must be made visual for conclusions to be drawn. Data visualization has many advantages, such as it can help to communicate complex information in a clear and concise way. It can help to engage and persuade the audience by appealing to their emotions and senses. It can help to explore and discover new insights from the data that might otherwise be overlooked. It can help to monitor and track the performance of a system or a process over time. Data visualization can be done using various tools and techniques such as charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, etc. Some of the best data visualization tools for 2023 are Tableau, Power BI, Looker, Google Charts, Grafana, Data Wrapper, Fusion Charts, Chart Blocks, SAS Visual Analytics, D3.js, and so on. And these are not limited. This I observed somewhere here and there, and okay, these are the things can be put into the chart here, but there may be many different tools. These tools can help to create interactive and dynamic visualizations that can be customized according to the needs of and preferences of the user. All these things we need to know how to use these things, and we need to connect the databases or remote online cloud databases or cloud data storages, and we can pull the data, and after pulling the data we need to visualize it depending upon the requirement. Instead of using tools, we can have our own visualization programs using Python. To start creating basic visualizations in Python, you will need a suitable system and environment setup comprising very first thing is an interactive environment, that is like a console to execute ad hoc Python code and an editor to run scripts like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider Editor. They're all great choices. um, and but Jupyter Notebook is generally you can there itself you can see view it in the below itself on the cell itself. And then you need a data manipulation library, the pandas, the very popular and very many people are experts also. They use it left and right, and extending the basic Python's functionality and data types to quickly manipulate data requires a library, right? That library is mostly preferred is a pandas, and maybe there are maybe other things always, but we can start doing with the pandas. And then the visualization library, this whatever the library, like whatever the library pandas, from there the data will be ported to there. Once it is ported there, you need to connect and apply whatever the logics on the data using this matplotlib. There are cborn, there are many other tools in the Python, like tools in the sense library that you programmatically can manipulate them through the pandas library. So these are the options for making it big programmatically.